Hi everyone, this is Valerie Nicolas, Health Center Supervisor with Alameda Family Services. I'm glad to be able to talk to you today about our school-based health centers, including what's available during distance learning and how you can access our services remotely. So during distance learning, the best way to reach us is by sending us a message. You can do that through email, schoolbasedinfo@alamedafs.org. And for students, we strongly encourage that you connect with us through Instagram at SBHC_AFS. We're able to receive and respond to messages Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Other reasons why you should connect with us through Instagram, again, updates about our services. There's also a lot of helpful health and wellness information, including mental health tips from students and members of our mental health team, challenges, games, and giveaways. And again, it's an easy way to reach us with your non-urgent questions. So during distance learning, our Alameda High School-Based Health Center is closed, and we have limited access to the Ensenada School-Based Health Center. However, our services continue. So for mental health, appointments are offered via telehealth. And for medical services, we have medical appointments available through telehealth and even in person if that's needed at the Ensenada School-Based Health Center. So services that you can access through the school-based health center include mental health support, individual counseling, one-on-one therapy, support and discussion groups covering different topics. We can even help with crisis intervention, though that looks differently during distance learning. And if there's anything that we can't or don't provide, our staff assist in connecting you with other resources available out in the community. So our groups include self-care, dealing with grief and loss, and talking about gender identity. All of those are available to high school youth. So if any of that resonates with you, if you're interested, you have questions, you want more info, again, do not hesitate to send us an email. Groups are a really great way to start learning about what it means to get mental health services, especially if you're not quite ready for one-on-one. You get to be with a small group of your peers dealing with the same issue and going through similar experiences. Remember that how much you share and what you share is in your hands. Groups are about sharing while we learn to respect boundaries and learn healthy coping skills from each other. Each group is facilitated by at least one up to two clinicians who are part of our mental health team, and they're there to make sure that we maintain a safe space. So how do you access mental health services? We ask that you first check in with someone at school. That can be your school counselor, a teacher, a coach, any trusted adult who is available in your school community. It's important that someone knows what you're going through so they can check in. And also make sure you're aware of the different types of support that are actually available to you through your school. And that could include a referral to the school-based health center. If you don't feel like that's an option for you, you can send us an email with your non-urgent questions about accessing our services. And you should get a response from a member of our team within 1 to 2 days. Make sure that you're aware of other resources available to you out in the community. We love the crisis support services of Alameda County. They are great. They provide a 24-hour crisis hotline at 1-800-309-2131. Of course, in case of any type of emergency, call 911 or go to the nearest emergency room. The school-based health center also provides medical services. So preventative health includes physical exams, sports physicals, wellness checks, immunizations, health counseling, and management. So for these specific services, if you're under the age of 18, parent guardian consent is required. And you need to have active Medi-Cal coverage. So for example, Alameda Alliance, or if you don't have insurance, that you qualify for Medi-Cal coverage. So we just want to make it really clear that if you go to Kaiser or if you have private insurance, you cannot access our preventative health services. However, when it comes to sensitive and sexual health medical services, health insurance doesn't matter, and it's available to any young person who is at least 12 years old. All of these services are free, private, and confidential, meaning that they do not require parent guardian consent. Right. And if your appointment requires an in-person visit, we do have multiple screenings as part of our COVID-19 safety precautions. So we talk to you over the phone, go through a series of questions, and then when it's time for you to come to your appointment upon your arrival, we make sure that you're wearing a proper mask. We take your temperature. Our staff are wearing PPE. And if everything's all good, as you come into the health center, we ask that you first wash your hands before you even approach our front desk. If there are any concerns regarding COVID-19 exposure prior to your appointment, we can easily convert that in-person appointment to a telehealth and reschedule if that's needed. Who can access our medical services? Again, any current students who are at least 12 years old on the island, any former students or recent grads who are up to 21 years old, and if they have active Medi-Cal coverage, they can continue to access our school-based health center medical services up to 24, in some cases 26 years old. Medical services are available Wednesdays 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. In-person appointments, you'll have to come to the Ensenada School-Based Health Center at the Ensenada campus located off Central and Lincoln. If you need to make an appointment, have any questions about any of that, again, send us a direct message, send us an email. You can even leave us a non-urgent voicemail, 510-748-4085. Students also have access to free safer sex products through the School-Based Health Center. So if you contact us, we can set up a time for you to pick up free barrier methods. We can also do health education appointments. So if you don't feel quite ready for a medical appointment, we still want to make sure that you ask your questions and get the information you're looking for. So you can contact us for a health education appointment. We cover various health and wellness topics. We also do class presentations. So some of you might have even already seen us in your navigating life or your adulting classes. Some of our health ed materials are available online. You can use that link on your screen. We have our monthly snapshot, our health ed newsletter, and you can access this through our link tree and our Instagram. So last thing is we have a great group of youth who are members of our youth advisory board. It's an advisory board and health education group created for students where we talk about different health topics. Our members help promote health awareness by leading health events and campaigns. And what's really great is that we have a group of youth who provide input and guidance to our services to make sure that what we do is accessible and relevant to all of you. So if you're looking for ways to get involved, send us a message and we can talk about it. What's coming up with the School-Based Health Center? February is a really important month for us. It is National Teen Dating Violence Awareness Month. So all month long in February, we have all kinds of events and activities going on. We have contests, we have giveaways, and we're going to end the month with our first ever Teen Dating Violence Awareness Month virtual health fair. Our February newsletter, or SBHC snapshot, is dedicated to spreading awareness around teen dating violence and healthy relationships. So please make sure that you check that out using that link on your screen. Tuesday, February 9th, we hope that you'll join us in raising awareness for National Wear Orange for Love Day. During the month of February, we have medical appointments available on Wednesday, the 10th and Wednesday, the 24th. And again, we're wrapping up the month with our first ever Teen Dating Violence Awareness Month Health Fair happening on Wednesday, February 24th. From 11:30 to 3:30 p.m., we'll have 3 different sessions. Each session has 2 different workshops that you can pick from. You can sign up for 1, 2, or more. It's really up to you. You don't have to go to all of them. We just hope that you'll join us in spreading awareness and learning more about healthy relationships. So if you want to sign up for that, and we hope you will, use that link on your screen. And again, check our Instagram for updates, and link in our bio will allow you to also access the registration form. If you have any questions about anything related to the School-Based Health Center, don't hesitate to reach out. There's all kinds of ways that you can get a hold of us, even during distance learning. Again, Instagram, email, Linktree. You can even call us to leave a non-urgent message. And for updates, you can also check the page that we have included with your school website. So again, this is Ms. Valerie, Health Center Supervisor with Alameda Family Services. Thanks for your time, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.